All right, day 6 has been mostly about rafters and getting the roof finished, finishing framing in the roof. Didn't get quite as much footage today. It was a little bit crazy being up on the top there and everything. Harder to get footage, but basically we finished framing it in, so it's all ready for plywood. Tomorrow the plywood's going on, day 7, so I think that'll be a significant day in terms of making things look different. It already is looking different. I mean, it's definitely taking shape. You know, this is very much a custom thing. It's designed to meet our needs. It may not meet anybody else's needs or very many other people's needs. We're trying to make this van basically into a Class B RV that's going to work for 2 people. And that means we got to be a little bigger and boxier than some of than all of the fiberglass high tops you're going to see that you can go get put on in a commercial shop these days. There are a few old wheelchair van ones you can find and stuff that are pretty boxy like this, but and there are a few old camper van ones, the early Class Bs, or I think before they even called the Class Bs, they're camper vans. Some of those are pretty substantial. Anyway, that's it for day 6. And we're gonna call it a night. I'm certain worn out. I'm sure Melanie is, but I'll be back at it tomorrow on day 7, working on it. Just finishing up some blocking here and taking off the cross pieces on the roof rack, the old roof rack, and which is still intact, and putting some plywood on.